That's all I want. You can add more colors, which is, should I put the purple one? Maybe purple. So I'm gonna show just like a solid color. If you have to get one colors for it, just get one, and make sure you get yourself a crystal clear, because that will help blend your fusioning. Marbling is absolutely perfectly. Just need a piece of paper, paper towel or whatever you're using, and just is enough. You don't want to be too much of crystal clear. But also you don't want to be not enough. So usually I works like in, outside, in. This is one of the way that I using it for a fusion ink. However, I got to see a lot of you doing so many cool techniques. It works amazing as well. How's everyone doing? You know, it's funny, I'm like get lost in here because there's so many. It's so pretty. I'm looking at, oh, I want this. And then next, even though I have all is drop it out design for all of you, but you always know that there's always something we're changing in the last minute. It's like, oh, we do this charms, or we do that. So it's make it fun. I wish you all can be here and we can all talk, but I'm still grateful for all of you for tuning in every night. Okay, so let it set. This one you don't need to cure anything, it just air dry, and then we are going to do something fun with this. Do you want to see more weaver gels in a different colors, or you are done with the weaver gels? I will never be done with weaver gel. I'm just asking nicely. Okay, let's see what else we can do. Purple. We did purple, did we? We did purple earlier, did we?
Yep, did it.
So the neutral. We did this one on, I think, last Friday, and we still have so much fun on that. Here is a color just for your, you don't have to get whole and tie the corners or everything else. Great. That's how I just want it. Just want to keep sticking on stuff. And we're not using to get some more details on it. Here, that's one. For 60 seconds. Hey Bella, how are you? Hi mates, hello, how are you? I'm gonna do this pumpkin. Or maybe we should do a smaller pumpkin. We should do this pumpkin. How about that? Let me see that one. Let me do the smaller pumpkin then. The big pumpkin is cool too. Let me do big pumpkin and the small pumpkin. Okay. So, condensed glue gels. That's encapsulating it good. Tomorrow we'll do long nails. You want to see is liquid and powders too, and then I can do encapsulating that. That is so stunning, encapsulating too. So I am going to put no wipe. It's really thick density, so you just need a thin coat and no wipe top coat. Unless you're doing a 3D. I need the skeleton hands, the big one. All right, so I'm gonna do something fun for you. So I'm gonna leave her there. There's so many different colors. That was a the gold, like a go-go, and the retro gold. And hold on. Oh, she's so cute. Okay. So now, before we're gonna cure, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Pick up some of my condensed glue gels. Just apply it on my pumpkin. Just extra. Use my tweezer. Look at her face. It's oh my goodness. The pumpkin got smashed. I feel like I gotcha. This is so stunning. So I'm gonna cure this one because it's kind of heavy. It's so stunning. One more if you want to eat some pumpkin spice in there. It looks scary, but it's not. It looks so cute. All right. You can do the skeleton hands on the other side if you want to. It doesn't matter. All right. So we put that under the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Just want to make sure that there you go. It's so cute. I got that. I wear that. Probably I should do that on one of my thumbs. It's so cute. And then with the chain too, because I really want to do a chain. This one. Maybe the next one. We should do the chains. Super cute. That nail is quite heavy though. Oh my god, so I have one nails left. And then I still have thousands of things I would like to share with you. Or maybe in this one we're gonna do something is fun. I do this. creamy face. Is that cute? You like that? This is